Hey guys, Nevada Titworth here with the Worthwhile Group of Keller Williams. I want to invite you to my open house here. We're excited here in Springfield Estates. We have a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, awesome game room, nice large hot tub. You gotta come and see this backyard. So throughout the pandemic, they've added on to the backyard, patios, decks, hot tubs, covered pavilions, so you must come see it.
Us having 20 years experience in real estate sets us apart from dealing with every up and down that we've seen throughout the market.
I really didn't know what to expect from an open house. I've never had to set one up myself, so this is a learning point for me at this point.
My favorite thing about doing open houses is meeting all the individuals coming in. Everybody still, hopefully, hasn't been burnt out and haven't been looking at so many different homes and stuff. And you can really showcase a home and everything because inventory is low. So I try to get what their needs are so we can pretty much like match them. Like, is this a good match for you? Or, we don't ever want to waste anybody's time because time is money in the game right now of real estate.
Ready to buy? Ready to move? Call Nevada, start packing.